In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your bookmark folders on your Firefox browser. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Alright, now you can see we have here quite a number of folders that I created in my bookmarks. To access them, you can either tap on this, and if you can't see this icon here for bookmarks, you can also just head over to the left corner here, and if you tap on this, it will list all the bookmarks that you have, and my bookmarks have been arranged into folders. So I like to go ahead and rename one of the folder, and I like to rename this first folder. To do so, it is quite simple. Just right click on the folder that you want to rename and then click on this edit folder. If you click on it, you can now change the name of your folder. For this case, let me change. So I'd like to rename this to official, and then the folder name has been changed. So that's how you can rename your bookmark folders on Firefox browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.